Hello, good morning children. In this session, we are going to start our chapter 3, linear equation of two variable. From class 9th, you are well known about the linear equations. The general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You know very well from class 9th how to plot the graph for the linear equation. This year again, in continuation, we will create the linear equation according to condition of the question, and then we will plot the graph for the linear equation. So how to solve this problem? Please see over here. Pair of linear equation in two variable. As just now I have explained, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are the constant terms. A, B, C are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, any number you can take in place of A, B and C. X and Y are the variables. These are the points on the x-axis, that is x, x dash, y-axis, that is y, y dash, 0 is in the middle. So these points, positive points for the x and negative point for the x, left side, and upward positive points for the y and negative points for the y in the downward of the graph paper. So you know very well about this. Again, I am trying to explain you. Please keep these things in mind to create the linear equation. Now see the question related with the exercise 3.1. First question is, Aftab tells his daughter. Here two persons are Aftab and daughter. 7 years ago. 7 years ago means before 7 years. That is minus 7. So if father is x year old, so 7 years ago he will be x minus 7. Daughter is y years old, so after before 7 years she will be y minus 7. So I was 7 times. So relation in between them 7 times. Now solve it. X minus 7 is equal to 7, 7 is 49, 7y minus 7, 7 is 49. Now shift this side. So x minus 7y minus 7 minus 49 become positive. You will get this. So x minus 7y plus 42 you will get. First equation of the this condition. Then I shall be 3 times as old as you will be when also after 3 years. 3 years from now means after 3 years. So x become x plus 3 after 3 years, y becomes y plus 3. Now correlate them, it is 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y, open the bracket, plus 3, 3 is 9. Now x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. You solve it, you will get the second equation. Now see here, according to first condition, first we will suppose their ages, that is father, that is Aftab age is x and daughter age is y. So let's present age of Aftab is x and daughter is y. 7 years ago Aftab will be x minus 7 and daughter was y minus 7. Now relation in their ages 7 times. So solve it, you will get x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Simply transpose the values this side, right to the equation. You will get x minus 7y, 7y become negative and 49 become positive. Solve it, x minus 7y plus 42 is your first equation. Then according to second condition, after 3 years, Aftab age will be x plus 3 and daughter's age will be y plus 3. Relation is 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 3. Open the bracket, solve it and create the second equation. That is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we will draw the table for both the equation. So how do you get the table? I am trying to explain for the first equation. So suppose that here x and y. So you will have to take 2 points. Earlier I have explained to create the line is very easy with the 2 points. So if you have 2 points A and B, you can easily draw the line. But if there is so many points, it is quite difficult. So for 2 points, we will give our own values to one variable. So I am going to give the variable y to 1. Now you will find out the value of x. X minus 7 plus 42 is equal to 0. So x plus 35 is equal to 0 you will get. So x is equal to minus 35. If you write this value here, so your coordinate will be minus 35 and 1 to be plot. And it is very difficult to draw on the graph paper because one is very less value, another is very high. So both values not possible to plot on the same graph paper, that is 1 and minus 35. So you have to choose such values that are very close to each other. Like if x you are getting 7, so y suppose that 5 or 3 or 2. So I have given some values you see here. Table for equation number 1. X I have given minus 7, y I have got 5. X I have given 0, y I have got 6. So in this way our 2 points are minus 7 and 5 and 0 and 6 can be easily plot on the graph paper like this. 0 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is this one and 0 is x, y is 6. So this point is somewhere here. Let it is A, let it is B. Now plot the graph. You can easily get a line like this. So you are bounded over here to choose such values that x and y both are close to each other. ऐसा नहीं हो कि x become 35 and y become minus 1. So it is quite difficult to plot. So such type of values you avoid to take, you solve till then get the suitable values. Now the table for the second equation. 6 is x, y is 0, 9 is 1 and 1 are the another coordinates. So now we have the coordinates minus 7, 5, 0, 6 for equation 1 and 6 0 and 9 1 for equation 2. So for both the equations we will draw the graph. How to draw the graph? Let us see here. X dash. So suppose that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You write here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. Here same 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So first point is minus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is minus 7 and 5. So this is 5. So you draw like this. You will get point A. Its coordinate is minus 7 and 5. And second coordinate is 0 and 6. So it is here 0 and 6. That is point B. Now draw a straight line. Draw the straight line. AB you will get like this. Same way, second point is coordinate for the second equation 6 0. So 6 0 is this point. It is suppose that C 6 0 and 9 1. So this point is 9 1. 9 1, let it is D. Now draw the graph. A straight line 6 0 this is and 9 1 this is. So you will get CD straight line, AB straight line. In this way very easily you can draw. Now see in the PowerPoint. First I have taken x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, x-axis dash, y and y dash. You can put arrow over here. So now see here, you have to write the values for the x-axis, same for the y-axis. Now first point you plot minus 7 and 5 like this. So this its coordinate will be minus 7 and 5. So let A is minus 7 and 5. Minus 7 5 coordinate of A. Coordinate of B is 0 6. This point is B. Its coordinate is 0 6. You can draw the straight line like this. Like this you have to draw the straight line. And then plot the 0 6. 0 6 is here and 9 is 1 here. Same way you have to draw. C. This is the point C, that is 0, 6. Coordinate of point C is 0, 6. And coordinate of D is 9, 1. See the point D. Now you join A and B, you will get AB straight line. Join C and D, you will get CD straight line. You can put the arrow both the side. In this way you will get both the straight lines very easily. Here as a scale you have to write on x-axis, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to same thing, that is 1 unit. So children, this is very easily I have tried to explain you. You solve. Next problem, create the equation and then draw the graph. Next time, in next video, we will discuss next question, and till then, have a nice day. Bye.